A ball rebounds to 80% of its previous height after each bounce. If it starts at 10 meters, after how many bounces will its height be 4.096 meters? So 80% of its height. So we're going to have here a geometric sequence. A sub 1, if our A sub 1 is going to be after the first bounce, then it must not be 10 meters. Or 10 meters is going to be the initial. Let's call it A sub 0. So our A sub 1 is 80% of 10 meters, that is 8. So we just multiply 80% is 0.8 in decimal. So 10 times 0.8, that is 8. So after the second bounce, it's going to be 80% of 8. So times 0.8. 8 times 0.8 is just 6.4. And then the third term. So after the third bounce, that's going to be 6.4 times 0.8, 32, carry 3, 51. So 5.12. And then after the fourth bounce, it's going to be 80% of 5.12. 16, carry 1, 9, 40, 3 decimal places, 4.096. So it's going to be after the fourth bounce. So after 4 bounces, the ball will be 4.096. 4.096, not 69. 4.096. So after the fourth bounce. So 4 bounces. We can also use the formula here. Using this sequence, we have A sub 1 is 8. Common ratio is 0.8. And A sub n equals A sub 1 r raised to n minus 1. We're asked of the n. A sub n is going to be 4.096. A sub 1 is 8. R is 0.8. And n is what is asked. So divide both sides by 8. 4.096 divided by 8. That will give you 0.512. You divide this by 8, divide this by 8, so you can cancel. And 0.0512 is actually 0.8 cubed. So n minus 1 is 3. So add 1 to both sides of the equation, and you will get n equals 4. So n is 4. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!